Mad dash down the road, hit the gas and we gone. Mr. Stoops push the Testarossa, rims chrome alloy. Bad boys in front of us, arrest and development of others. Now punishment and revenge will be served cold. That's when it's best, 90 miles per hour. And I hope you got your best, cause these fools is armed. Broke in the mayor's crib and tripped the alarm. I know where they do their business at a chop shop. Ran by four, a black, white, and Chinese man, and a chick named Eleanor with blonde hair, and she used sex as a weapon like Angelina Jolie in Gone in 60 Seconds. It's legend. All they stolen goods and merchandise. They profit easily and even triple the price. They don't deal with drugs, but they got tons of guns. This is Saturday night, I know where they go for fun. Hey, yo, Stoops, I'm telling you. Well, man, they getting away now, man. You might as well. No.